How to buy from Sweatcoin Shop. So if you want to buy something from Sweatcoin Shop, then first you need to open up your Sweatcoin application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you will have shop option on the bottom left beside the home button. Tap on shop and here you can see all of the offers or all of the products. You can simply tap on the offer that you want or the physical product that you want to buy, and this will open the specific offer and instructions on how you can purchase that product. So for example, here on physical offers, I will tap on this product here, and here it says that you have 63% off on this headphones. And here on the page you will have description like the time to redeem and the highlights and the information of shipping and everything. So you can simply tap on go to website, and you will find additional information about the product under the website and the actual price of this product on the official website. So if you tap on go to website, as you can see that it will automatically take you to the Google Chrome or something, and then here you will have the product. So you can see the price, and you can simply add that to the cart, and then you can buy with PayPal and all that. And here if you scroll down, you will have more payment options. So you can again scroll down, and here you will have all of the information of that product. So to buy from Sweatcoin Shop, you can have this option on the bottom of your screen which says swipe to buy for $5 or something. Then you can simply swipe that right, and once you've swiped, here you have to confirm your country, and then you can tap on continue. So here you just need to confirm your location or region, so you can simply tap on that box and then you'll be approved. Here you can see that it has been approved. So you just need to confirm for 5 sweat coins to purchase this product. So you just need to tap on the button here which has confirmed for 5 sweat coins, and here it says that I don't have enough sweat coins. So if you have 5 sweat coins, then you'll be able to purchase this. So basically that's how you can buy from Sweatcoin Shop. If you have your sweat coins, then you'll be able to buy. So that's how you can buy from Sweatcoin Shop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.